Are you a mechanical engineer? Would you be passing out this year? Do you aspire to become a design engineer? But are you lost? Are you someone who wants to build great products yet don't know where to start? Believe me, it's completely alright. We at Design Oasis will show you the path. Many mechanical engineers aspire to design their own products and give shape to their ideas. Many want to work for top automotive companies yet gets easily distracted by the wrong opinions of their friends and family. Finally, they end up investing their time and money in learning things which might be of little use to their career. The very first mistake they do before starting their design engineering career would be to learn all design related softwares. They start learning AutoCAD, CATIA, SolidWorks, NX, ANSYS, and many others, which makes them end up as a jack of all trades. Though it's not very bad to learn everything, failing to master one particular software tends to make you vulnerable in the eyes of an interviewer. The right way of approach is to understand which automotive company do you dream to work for. Think where do you want to see yourself working after 5 years from now. Research which software the company uses. Usually, companies don't use more than 2 design softwares for their designing activities. The same goes for computer aided engineering as well. Now that you've found out which tool to master, learn it with respect to the application of your industry. Understand that industry does not use every command in the software. If you're an automotive aspirant, start reading complex automotive component drawings and model these in software of your choice. There are multiple ways to model a component, but only one proper way to do it right. This is where Designosis will help you through our deep industry insights and experience. Our mentors who guide you are working professionals from top car companies with over decades of experience. They've been hiring candidates like you for years and clearly understand what you lack. We will show you the proper way of designing a component from concept to manufacturing through a sheer experience. Having said that, the next most common mistake that students assume is that learning a software alone makes them a design engineer. This misconception puts them in deep trouble after a certain period of time when they have to design the real world components. Understand that all software you've been using to model are just tools to make your design simple. It's not the actual design. The real design process occurs when you understand what materials you need to use for your product, when you design your product for durability, when you think about which manufacturing process to choose to reduce cost and time, when you know how to apply tolerances to your components. Understand that a tool does not help in these activities. Only you can design products, not the softwares. At Designosis, we guide you in all of these. Our master's program are structured by many experts from top automotive companies in such a way that they provide you with a complete understanding of how the industry works and shape you perfectly as expected by the companies. Remember, knowing something is one thing, making others believe you know that is another. The easiest way to make someone believe you know something is through your CV. Unfortunately, a lot of your CVs do not pass through the applicant tracking system used by the companies to filter out candidates. Hence, your applications don't even reach the hiring manager's table. We help you prepare your CV for you with the right keywords for the positions you're applying for. Take your profile directly to the hiring managers through our extensive industry connections and provide you invaluable opportunities. Now, the only thing you need to do is to perform as we taught you and grab your dream job. Are you ready? We are, and we want to see you design the next Ferrari. This is Shweta from Designosis.